In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Trello using the updated method. So, if you've been using Trello for a while or are just getting started, you might have noticed that some options have been rearranged recently. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the entire process with clarity and patience. So let's dive right in. To start with, we need to head over to the Trello homepage. You can simply open your web browser and type in Trello.com. Once you've reached the homepage, log in using your credentials. If you're not already signed in, it's as easy as entering your email and password, then hitting that login button to access your Trello dashboard. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon or your initial there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu which gives you access to various options related to your account. In this drop-down menu, we're looking for the Create Workspace option. You'll need to scroll down just a bit to find it. It's important to note here that this option used to be available in the left side panel, but now you can find it in the drop-down menu under your profile icon. This is an important update to be aware of, especially if you're familiar with the old layout. Once you've located Create Workspace, click on it. This action will lead you to a new page where you can enter the specific details for your new workspace. Here, you'll be prompted to input some essential information, such as the name of your workspace, and possibly a brief description or theme, depending on what suits your needs. Take your time to fill in these fields. It's an opportunity to personalize your workspace to fit the projects or teams you're working with. After you've entered all the necessary details to your satisfaction, you'll see a button labeled Continue. Simply click this button to finalize the setup process, and there you have it. Just like that, you've created a brand new workspace in Trello. Your workspace is now ready to be used for organizing projects, collaborating with team members, or managing tasks. It's really as easy as following these steps, and I hope that this guide has made the process clear and approachable for you. If you followed along with these instructions and have your workspace ready, congratulations! You're now set to take advantage of Trello's robust project management features. Feel free to explore your new workspace and customize it further to fit your needs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more Trello tips and tricks.